Hello. Hello.
Hi, Payal.
Hi,
Good
Payal.
evening.
Good evening, ma'am. How are you?
Good. Could you please open your camera?
Uh, yes, okay, go it. I'm audible, madam?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah.
Please open your camera.
Camera, okay. Where is I'm open my camera, ma'am. Hello? Hello? Yeah.
I can hear you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's start with a quick introduction.
Okay. Hello, ma'am. My name is Payal Ishpal Samartha. I have done my graduation in 2016. Then after that I will and now I am take a break for some personal reason and as well as the government exam preparation, and simultaneously I also prepared in a technical such as software developer course, and now I am continuously practicing on it, as well as I am work as a short freelancer also.
So, what's your plan for future? Like, you want to continue with the preparation competitive
Yes,
exams?
yes, yes, yes,
You
ma'am.
want to continue with
No,
the
no, no, no.
IT sector?
Continue with the IT sector, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then how you will justify that scenario? There is a gap. Then there is you have also mentioned in CV about competitive exams. So if you are as a interviewer,
Hmm.
let's think in a that way, how you will convince interviewer like uh, means despite of having that career gap and that competitive exams preparation as well. So how you will justify that scenario?
It's a plan career gap for preparation of firstly competitive exam. Then then after that I'm realized that's not working for me, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's not working for me. So I then turn out toward the IT sector,
Okay. So one more question
and
related to the
I'm
same.
continuously working on it.
See, okay, I understand. Am I audible to you?
Hello.
Am I audible to you?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so my question is that, just a moment. Okay, so my question is that how you
Okay.
will convince them? Like, first of all, okay, let me come to the point. First of all, as your CV, you have mentioned competitive exams, right?
Yes,
Which
yes.
is totally the interviewer and no one from the
Uh,
HR will convince. Okay, so
okay.
yeah, that is the first bad impression. Bad impression as in like think in a according to their thought process, right? So
Okay.
first of all, um, you passed out in 2016, right?
Right, right.
So after that, do you have any experience?
Yeah. After the 2000,
or just a self learner?
23. I start work,
Uh-huh.
I started working as a freelancer, Java freelancer.
Okay, great. So
Uh,
you can do one thing here.
yeah.
Don't mention competitive exams in your CV.
Okay, okay. Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. Okay.
So you just have to showcase and convince your single path and direction so that they'll convince. Don't make that mistake to mention whatever you are applying for, only mention related to same technical stack and skill sets.
Okay, okay.
Okay?
Okay, okay. Okay, okay.
Okay. I hope
Okay.
you understand what I'm trying to say. One
Yeah,
more
yeah.
thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So one
Mm.
more thing.
Mm.
As you can, as a being a girl, you can mention like there is a career gap due to marriage or there is a personal family responsibilities, and just because of that, I was working as a freelancer.
Okay,
Clear?
okay, ma'am. Clear, ma'am. Clear.
Okay. So now I just wanted, I'm free from my responsibilities little bit, so that's why I'm continuing to, uh,
Yeah.
like total IT career. Okay.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
I hope these basic things you got clear. Many of candidates are like, this is very basic. Whatever job role you are applying for, only related to the same skill sets should mention in CV.
Okay,
Clear?
okay, ma'am. Clear, ma'am. Clear.
Your screen stuck. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible, Payal?
Hello.
Yeah, no, it is
Uh,
fine. So we'll start with the questions. Is it okay?
okay. Okay, ma'am.
Um, I'll start with core Java first.
Okay.
So, just explain shortly what is JVM, JDK, and JRE.
JVM is a Java virtual machine that is responsible to run the bytecode, and JRE is a Java runtime environment, which is
Mm-hmm.
the provide the environment
Mm-hmm.
is to run execute the program, and
Mm-hmm.
JDK is stand for the Java development kit, which is
Mm-hmm.
used to develop the Java software.
Okay. So you must be aware with object-oriented programming, right?
Yeah,
So what are the basic pillars? I mean, that four pillars of object-oriented programming
there are four
or core
pillars.
Java.
The four pillars are uh, inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, and abstraction.
Okay. Mhm. There is, I'll share in chat box.
Yeah.
One moment. What is the difference between these two?
Chat box. एक minute, ma'am. Just a minute. Uh, where is the just a minute.
You see your chat box?
No, madam.
There is a, see, you must know double equals
Just a
and
minute. Equals,
equals and double equals. What is the difference between these two?
uh, equals and double equals.
Mm-hmm.
Differences.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, equals is used to is used uh, re-
Mm-hmm.
to compare the value on the object, whereas
Try to look into camera.
double equals is used to compare object reference.
What is exception handling?
Exception handling is the process uh, to handle the error at the which is occur at the time of program execution.
Could you please explain try catch block shortly?
Uh, Try is the block whenever exception is occur, which is statement in the program that statement or that logic are placed in a try block, and and catch block are those block which suitable suitable exception which contains the logic to handle that suitable exception.
What is checked exception and unchecked exception?
What is checked exception and unchecked exception?
Yeah.
uh, Checked exception are those exception who which which is checked during the compile time. It's called as a checked exception.
To look into camera, I can see on your only half face, so please manage accordingly. Yeah.
Okay.
Try to look into camera.
Okay.
Tell me what is
And
checked exception and what is unchecked exception.
unchecked exception are those exception which is occur during the runtime program execution.
Okay. So we'll move to SQL and database, I mean. So you must
Okay.
know the keys. So there is a primary key and there is foreign key.
Yeah.
So what is that? What is primary key and what is foreign key?
Sorry, madam. I'm now listen.
What is primary key and what is foreign key?
Uh, Primary key as those which is held in a unique value like as a id, and foreign key are those key who held multiple values.
Primary key. Are you sure? First of all, in main interview, you'll not get that time to answer even. They will quickly move to the next question. So you need to be prepared accordingly.
Okay. Primary key is a unique identification key, ma'am.
Correct. So what is foreign key? Don't be nervous, be confident. If you have studied, if you don't know, you can just tell me that I don't know. We will move forward.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
So tell me difference between delete, truncate, and drop.
Delete,
Truncate and drop.
uh, de- delete is used to delete the row of the database or delete the value of the database. uh, next what? Truncate.
Truncate and drop.
Truncate, when we use the truncate, then whole table also deleted,
Mm-hmm.
and drop is used to drop the all the database. And in the sense, uh, mm,
What you said about truncate? Could you
respective
please repeat?
database, which would what, ma'am?
Could you please explain truncate again?
Truncate is a delete the whole table.
Mm, truncate whole table or all rows. I mean,
Means
okay.
inside the database we create a table, right, ma'am?
Mhm. There
And
is a
that
concept.
table, if you want to,
Okay.
if you apply the truncate command, then entire table goes to vanished.
What is normalization?
Normalization. Sorry, ma'am, I'm not. I think it's normalization is the means module means divided the table into small pieces. I think so.
Yeah. I can see there is a spring boot in your CV, right? So
Yeah,
can
yeah.
we process with the questions? So okay. So okay. So what is the basic difference between Spring and Spring Boot?
Spring is a core framework,
Hmm.
and Spring Boot is a advanced of that Spring framework. Uh,
What is that basic difference in the context of configuration in between these two?
in sorry,
What is the basic difference in between these two related to, I mean, in the context of configuration?
Spring Boot is a auto configure,
Mhm.
whereas in Spring we have to configure manually.
Correct. There is a dependency injection concept. What is that?
Sorry,
What is dependency injection? Dependency
dependency
injection.
dependency injection is the process where another object dependency is applying.
Okay. What is the keyword we use to mention that dependency injection? Annotation. I mean,
Auto wired.
yeah. What is REST API?
REST API. Uh, Sorry, ma'am. I'm not remember properly.
What are those HTTP methods I'm asking? I mean, like REST, we in this we use HTTP methods. You must know the controller layer,
Yeah, yeah,
repository.
yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
in controller, we use those HTTP methods. What are those exactly? Nothing but the
HTTP
REST API.
at the rate post method, get method,
Mm-hmm.
update put method for updatation,
Mm-hmm.
at the rate delete method.
And what are those annotations we use in REST API? Mainly used annotations.
REST API.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, REST में
Thread.
Just a minute, ma'am.
Just annotations I'm asking you, which is
REST
usually we
API
use.
at the controller, at the REST controller,
Mhm,
then request mapping,
mhm,
then request param,
mhm.
uh, and many more, ma'am.
So there is the at the rate Spring Boot application, which is very main annotation, but
Yeah,
it is the combination of few two, three I mean annotations. What are those?
ma'am.
The rate Spring Boot application is
Hmm.
combination of which annotations?
Mm, which connotation? Uh, at the rate
Give me a
configuration
second.
first. At the rate configuration, then at the rate enable configuration, and then at the rate component scan. Sorry, this three annotation combination is give in Spring at the rate Spring Boot application. At the rate Spring Boot application. Hello, 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 ma'am. Network problem is there.
Hi, Payal. Sorry, I got disconnected due to I mean, internet. Just a minute. Okay, so we were at notations, right? We'll
Yeah,
continue with
yeah,
this. Yeah.
yeah,
So, okay. I can see Hibernate as well in your CV. So, can we process with the same?
yeah.
So, what is Hibernate?
Hibernate is a ORM framework
Hmm?
which is used to map the object into the databases.
Okay. What if I want to use a JDBC instead of Hibernate? Can we please tell me the difference between Hibernate and JDBC?
Uh, Basic difference I know. In a JDBC, we should have to some queries, write some queries also, and as well as connection open and connection close, all that coding we have to write in by using the JDBC. But in the case of Hibernate, that that should be taken care by Hibernate, means connection close, connection open, and SQL operation should be performed. It is to be performed
Mhm.
internally in a Hibernate. So we do not want to write much more SQL queries in a Hibernate.
Okay. So, if I ask you, actually, I missed that question. If I ask you to design any Spring Boot application, what are the
Hmm.
main things you need to have? Means you will mention in coding.
May in basic Spring Boot application
Yeah,
requirement, ma'am.
what is the structure of any Spring Boot application? I'm asked.
First, we should have to develop a repository,
Yeah.
entity class. Then after that, we should have to define the repository. Then service class. Hello.
Is there in service class? Why we write service class?
To write a business logic, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yeah, yeah. Inside the service class, we can write some business logic of that
Okay.
applications.
And what is module layer? Module layer.
Sorry.
What is module layer? Anyways, what is JWT? Have you ever used JWT in any Spring Boot
J
application?
W T.
Yeah.
No, madam.
So if you want to secure your application,
Yeah, yeah.
um,
JWT is a security authentication.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
okay. How you have used it?
Mm,
Shortly.
Uh, I used some Spring Boot security uh, security
First
dependency.
tell me, first tell me about JWT. I mean, what is that exactly? Yeah.
JWT.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, JWT it uh, is a Java token. It's a token based authentication. Uh, we can Java token based authentication we can use in JWT.
What is entity?
Entity means the object which it is the class where we can describe the what kind of entities and what is their त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण? what is their specification we describe in that entity class.
Okay, fine. So
Means
I
what
can,
is the property of that entity we can describe that entity class.
yeah. So let's move to the project description. So I can see there is a project Smart Contact Manager project you have mentioned here. What is that
Yes.
exactly? How you have implemented that? And whatever things you have implemented in that, just explain on that.
mm, Smart Contact Manager. I am designed the backend for the Smart Contact Manager. Oh, ma'am.
Okay.
Internet connection. Developing the backend side of Smart Contact Manager, which I describe the user entity first, then all the entity related operation I'm perform in that project. Uh, then hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
Uh,
You have
Hello.
implemented this project, right? So you must know everything, like in and out of this project. So you must be very confident about it if you have implemented that project. Whether it is a dummy project or whatever it is, you must know everything about that. Yes. So
Hello.
next, yeah,
Yeah.
what is how you have implemented security in your
Uh,
projects?
Security, there's some authentication I use to token based,
Hmm.
and some validation I have to apply it using Hibernate validator. That's it, ma'am.
Okay. Any challenges you faced in a project?
Yes, ma'am.
What are
Some
those?
sometimes in during the developing that project, I faced some challenges because old version and new version complexity conflict is there. So to understand that
Okay.
and then implementing is light difficult for me.
Okay. So what do you have I mean, how you resolve that?
uh, by taking the help from other friends or some Google explanation, and sometimes I used to read the documentation of Spring Boot, and then apply in it on it.
Okay. I'll just share your screen.
Yeah. Yeah, the sharing of the screen. Mm, okay.
There is an option called more, and you can just share screen. Okay, open your notepad. Open the notepad.
Ma'am, you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen. Just open your notepad.
Just a minute. Hmm. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So write a Java program, basic Java program I'm asking you to write to check palindrome string.
Okay.
Try to write it fast.
Basic Java program.
Yes, yes. Palindrome to check palindrome string. Any string.
Palindrome. Palindrome string.
Yeah, correct. You must know few words which are palindrome. Just have to take those string as a string, I mean, and then implement accordingly.
Palindrome string or number, madam?
String.
String, string, string. I was for loop.
You need to have string first, right?
Yeah. It, just a minute, ma'am. Uh, string S1 equal to higher. S2 equal to
Why you will need a second stream?
or
You think so?
include this.
Pile is. Am I audible to you? Pile, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
So, could you please tell me why? Okay, okay, got it. But do you think so? Pile is palindrome?
Just, yeah.
Am I audible? Okay, let's go ahead. I'll check at the end. Finish it out first. Am I audible, Pile?
Yeah. String equal string dot length gth length -1 I.
You are writing this program on your own, right?
Yeah, madam. Then string equals to reverse. Uh,
Maximize this notepad.
string equals to reverse. Uh,
And I can see um, I have opened WhatsApp on your screen.
yeah, this is your link I get through the WhatsApp web browser. I can close also. Don't worry.
You should actually, when at the time of interview, your laptop screen should be clear. Only Gmail and that link, interview link should be there. Okay, go ahead. While your screen is not visible and your um, camera is not also visible. Am I audible to you? Hello, Pine. Hello. Am I audible to you? Hello. Placement team, could you please check with Pile?
Yes, ma'am. Wait a minute.
Hello,
Yeah.
ma'am, I'm audible.
Yes, I can hear you, but I cannot see your screen or your camera. I mean,
Okay, ma'am.
will you join from any other link? I mean,
There's some network issue, ma'am. Sorry. Give me a few minutes.
okay, share your screen again and continue with
Yeah.
the program.
Okay, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah. For loop, then S2 equals to S2 equals to S2 S2 plus reverse string 1 equal to 0 I plus minus S2 plus reverse string str कैरेक्टर नोट करें ना कैरेक्टर का कैर कैरेक्ट हाई मतलब and public void main string
I
name
don't need to have that class in main method. I just need to see the logic
only
and
logic.
just and just explain shortly.
Okay, ma'am. If string str character if string if methods str equal to s1. str equals to equals equals s2 s2 then sys out sys out
Maximize this notepad.
sys out palindrome palindrome is not palindrome. Not drum.
And you'll not get that much of time in main interview.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Completed. Uh, would you like to explain it?
Yeah, of course.
Uh, Ma'am, first we take the string object, which is the value ABA, right?
Mhm.
Then another once again another string object we have to give with a blank. There is no any value. Then we apply the for loop
Mhm.
to traverse the value which is present of string s1 object. Then their index is calculate and uh, then after that firstly traversing firstly cursor is goes on uh,
Mhm.
value of a, then this store in a s2 variable which is s2 object,
Mhm.
and then again traverse to cursor goes to the value b, then conditions is check if index is greater than uh, or equal to 0, the condition is fully satisfied, then we also store in a s2 object,
Mhm.
then then again is goes to the uh, in I is decreases value, then again check the conditions if I is greater than equals to 0, then condition is true, then it uh, uh, condition satisfied, then it again store the a value into the s2 variable after and then again condition again I value is decreases.
Hold
Hello.
on. Payal, do one thing. Open your browser and then just open online compiler and try to run this program.
Yeah. Mm,
Online compiler, just type.
online. Java editor.
You'll get option.
Java.
He said just type online compiler. Am I audible to you?
Online Java.
Yeah, go with first option.
Yeah.
First one, online Java compiler.
Yeah.
Here's this program. What is the error?
Yeah, some semicolon error, ma'am, there.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, character. At.
What is this one error?
We should have to import the packages. That's why.
Yeah. Do it then.
इनको डब्बा 20 ना
Hold on.
Yeah,
It's almost 16. So,
it's almost done, ma'am. Hang his laptop.
what we are doing here, right? Exactly. I'll just hold on. I need to process further. So I'm almost done from my end. Am I audible to you?
Okay.
Okay. So first of all, just stop sharing screen. Keep open your camera. Am I audible to you? Stop sharing your screen and just stop sharing your screen. See your camera. See your camera. Fire. Turn on your camera. Am I audible to you? Turn on your camera.
Yeah, ma'am.
Hi, Payal. Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
I cannot see. Just turn on your camera. Yeah, okay, fine. Just a moment.
Network issues.
Okay. So I'm done with the questions. So
Okay.
I have few suggestions. Just a minute.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So basically,
Yeah.
from very start to
Yeah.
end,
Yeah.
I would suggest please try to use headphones when you are attempting an interview. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So yeah,
Okay.
there is very loud sound. I don't know why. But
Yeah.
okay. So that is the main thing. And as I already
Yes.
suggested and already guided about the CV preparation, CV creation, I
Yes. Yes.
mean, so make changes accordingly. Second thing, of course, as you means took some gap and then there is uh two-way direction to your career, right? So at this current stage at least. So accordingly,
Yeah. I'm not. I'm not. Ma'am. I'm.
sorry.
Yeah. I'm audible, madam?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah.
What are you asking? Go ahead.
I'm not tell to interviewer yeah, not mention on the CV about the uh, mm, government exam preparation.
Yeah, okay, got it. So that is the
Hello,
thing only. Yeah, I can hear you.
hello.
I can hear you.
Uh, Ma'am, just give me few seconds. I check my internet connections. It's working fine.
Am I audible to you? Payal, am I audible to you? Am I audible to you?
Yeah, ma'am.
Placement team, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, then there is issue with Payal, I guess, internet connection.
Oh, okay, ma'am. I'll check.
Am I audible to you, Payal?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So I was saying about the CV. Let me finish it first. So I was suggesting that just remove those competitive exam part from your CV. Second thing,
Okay.
take it positively, but as there is a gap, you need to brush up more on your concepts. Okay.
Okay.
You know things about, I mean, you are not like that blank completely about the technical stack, but you need to work more actually on the same. So
Okay.
you need to brush up it end to end. And
Okay.
also, if it is, first of all, whether it is a mock interview, but
Okay.
in main interview, you'll not get that much of time, I mean.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So
Okay.
they'll quickly jump from one question to next question. They'll not wait whether you know it or not, don't know it. Okay.
Okay.
So whatever time I give you just because of the mock interview, like it's also the preparation type, you know. So
Yes,
that is
ma'am.
the reason,
Okay.
but in main interview, you'll not get that much of time to even recall. Okay. So you cannot even recall, okay, let me remember that. So you cannot do that as well. So you just have to answer fastly, confidently,
Okay, ma'am.
little bit work on your communication.
Okay.
Um,
Okay.
also, you need
Okay.
to be properly in front of camera, okay? And you just
Okay.
use headphones, which is very mandatory thing because uh, the sound hits different actually. So that's why.
Okay.
So
Okay, ma'am.
that is a thing, and just it. I know you are willing to work and you are willing to enhance your skill sets. That I can understand totally from this interview, but like you
Okay,
need to
ma'am.
work. That is the main thing.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
practice on
ma'am.
coding and prepare your CV according to your, even don't mention. First of all,
Mhm.
don't justify more. Just, just say like, yes, I was having that gap because of this personal reasons, and I was working as a freelancer. So
Okay.
don't mention such a things because think according to their point of view why they'll hire you if you are willing to go with the competitive exams, they'll say, okay, go with the competitive exams only,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
Now,
Yeah, yeah.
so prepare yourself accordingly and
Okay.
first listen to interviewer.
Okay.
Let finish him or her first and then
Okay.
answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay,
so
ma'am.
that is little bit interrupting thing can impact.
Okay.
So work on it, and little bit work on your communication skill as well. On English. Take it positively,
Okay.
and you can watch any of English. We in a daily basis we used to scroll YouTube, Instagram, whatever it is. So just go through English content. You'll be
Okay.
that confident while attempting interview. So just those basic practices
Yeah, yeah.
you need to work on.
Okay.
That's it. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Also focus on technical part so that
Okay.
you will feel confident, and 100% accuracy need to have in interview in all
Okay.
aspects, whether
Okay.
it is a communication part, whether it is a technical knowledge or theory knowledge. Actually,
Okay.
I found few questions, concept, you know it well, but then you took some time to recall it, right? You will not
Okay.
get that time as well in main interview. So you need to
Okay.
be that fluent in communication, in answers actually, so
Okay.
that you can convince interviewer.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay, ma'am.
That's it from my end.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you
Okay,
so much.
good luck. Fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hey, Bhagwan.